video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you.
Today I'm going to review this full face respirator. Full face respirator covers your whole face with an airtight seal around your face so nothing can get in or out. It's got filters that go on each side. It's got breathable parts. And when you take these guards off, you can put the filters on.
Hi! I can't walk with Sticky too.
It uses these organic filters. And put the organic filters on.
Hey! Is it a video now?
Put the organic filters on. There's 3 connections here that line up with 3 connections here. And when you use these, you want to make sure you never lose this rubber seal. If you lose this won't even stay on. This is very important. Don't lose this seal and replace it when it wears out. So never ever lose that seal. Sometimes they'll fall off. You want to make sure that they're still on there. So put it on, you line it up, and then once it's lined up, twist it. Once it's lined up, just turn it until it locks itself in, like so. And then find out which direction it turns. Either left or right. It stays on. But I'm not going to put them both on.
Put both on.
Get it off. Like this. One line finally got it on because the camera's going. That's why it took so long. The camera wasn't going earlier this morning. It popped right on twice. But if you want to, when you're using this organic mask or organic filters, you have a choice. If you're around very fine vapors or very fine fumes, then you would want to use one of these filters. The filter goes on top of here, and then this snaps on top also. And you can change these filters out. You can buy more. You can change these filters out anytime you want. But I'm not going to run it with a filter because I'm not using this mask yet.
So reserve.
And when the mask comes, when you wear the mask, you just put it on, put it over your head.
To adjust the settings.
But I have to adjust this because it don't fit. But I also have one right here that I've been using for a while now. I've had this one for quite a few years.
And it got old.
The face of it, this part here is different than this part here. There's a slight difference, but virtually the same mask. This one's a lot dirtier. I clean it all the time. It's a lot dirtier. The filters on this one have a cotton filter on top because I'm using it around spray paint and things like that. And I have extra filters and stuff for this one. But this one here didn't come with a carry bag. And you can see how dirty this one is. It's been used for a while. Just put it on. And because it's been used so long, everything fits better. And this one's already adjusted because I've been using it. You want to put this over your head, so hang it like that. and then joint. But these masks here, the filter on this one is different than the filter on this one. You can buy different kinds of filters that filter out different types of things. These are charcoal filters. And you can use it without this, like I said, or with it. So if somebody tells you you have to use this with this, you don't. These are charcoal filters. But if you do use this, it will help your charcoal filter to last a lot longer. You can also put a piece of cotton, very thin cotton t-shirt, really thin one, over this, and it will make this last longer if you're doing a lot of spray painting, because it's going to get on here. But anyway, these masks will keep you very safe. These are worth buying. They'll keep you very safe. A full face mask with a seal around your head. And if you feel like you're having trouble breathing in it, it's all in your head. You're not going to suffocate these things.
Safe for coronavirus.
Well, a German doctor said this will stop the coronavirus. I don't know. But anyway, these masks are great to have. Complete full face coverage. And I use these masks when I do my woodworking. It stops dust particles getting in my eyes because it's a full face mask. It stops dust particles from getting in your eyes, sawdust from getting in your eyes, and little debris that kind of bothers your eyes when you're working. It's really good. You don't breathe in that sawdust. You don't breathe in those MFD or MDF dust from MDF boards, fiber boards, things like that. But this is my backup in case something ever happens to this. So you want to be safe when you're working, even woodworking, sawing, sanding, especially. You don't want to be breathing all that in. Because I do a whole lot of carpentry, and I don't want to breathe all that in. If anybody else wants to breathe it in, but I'm not. So if you want good face protection, this here is the way to go. Don't get no half mask where your eyes are still exposed. I don't care if you wear goggles or not. These are the best way to go. Right here.